shadow?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, listen. You can
Do you see the snow?
Snow?
You don't see the snow?
No.
It's snowing outside.
Say?
Yeah, it's snowing outside.
No shadow say?
Yes, and it's cold.
Yeah. Why you go?
Oh, really?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're going to tell Mommy to take you outside in the snow.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know. You're going to make a snowball and throw it in her face.
Say no.
You make a big snowball and throw it in her face. Okay?
Juice?
What you saying?
She holds the juice to her phone and tells.
What are we doing?
Oh, yeah?
Happy? Yeah. Happy? You feel that?
Oh. Well, you got to take a picture in the snow.
Yeah, I know. I took her out for a second already.
Well, what happened?
Why you shadow?
Oh,
Who's that? Is that Grandma?
Uh-huh.
Grandma?
Dada?
Grandma.
Why you shadow?
That sounds so cute, my boys.
Why you shadow?
What are you saying?
Say, Grandma.
Something.
Grandma.
Why you shadow?
Say, Grandma.
Why you that?
I love you.
Say I love
Say,
you.
Why you shadow? Why you shadow?
Say I love you.
Why you shadow?
Say bye.
Say bye bye, Grandma.
Why you snapping?
What?
Say bye bye.
Why you snapping?
Is she still there?
You still there?
Yeah, did you get the picture?
Yeah, I got it.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah. Oh.
Crazy.